I have been trying to master the art of making perfect naan bread, but it never quite turned out the way I wanted it to. I kept thinking it was because I did not have a traditional clay tandoori oven, as I was using my regular oven instead. But luckily, my friend Ananya came to the rescue. She sent me this amazingly simple naan bread recipe that is just perfect. And guess what? You don't even need an oven to make it. So, here is the video she sent me.
To make the simple naan bread recipe without an oven, begin by combining 2 cups of all-purpose flour with half a tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil such as olive oil, and half a cup of curd or unflavored yogurt. Use your hands to thoroughly mix all the ingredients and gradually add 4 to 5 tablespoons of lukewarm water while kneading until it forms a smooth and elastic dough. Shape the dough into a ball and give it a light coat of cooking oil. Now cover the bowl and let the dough rest for about 3 hours. After the dough has rested, give it another knead and then split the dough into 7 equal-sized dough balls that are perfect for making 7 medium-sized naan bread. Next, take those dough balls one by one and using a rolling pin, roll each one out into an oval shape, making it about 1/8 inch or 4 millimeters thick. Now go ahead and sprinkle or brush some water onto one side of the naan. Make sure just one side is all covered. Then place the naan onto a hot flat griddle or tawa, making sure the wet side of the naan is facing down. Cook each naan for about 30 to 40 seconds on medium-high heat. When you see the naan starting to bubble and the dough drying out, flip the griddle over and keep it about 2 inches away from the flame to cook and brown the top. Once the naan has browned to your liking, flip it back around and generously spread the butter, ghee or garlic butter over it. Then use a spatula to carefully lift the naan from the pan and your naan is ready.
If you like this easy naan bread recipe, be sure to check out also this super popular cheese potato bread recipe here that I mastered on my first try. Check it out now.